Okay, today we're going to be working on the Evo again. Just some basic general maintenance. Gotta change transmission fluid, differential, engine oil, transfer case. Okay, let's get started. Car all jacked up. Probably start with changing the transmission fluid first. Okay, here's our fill hole for the transmission. The drain hole is right there. Transmission fluid has been changed. Now onto the transfer case. Transfer case oil has been changed. This right here is the drain plug, and that's the fill plug. I didn't film filling it up because it's just really tight under here. I used the red line heavy duty shock proof in there. I used one of these to fill it up because that's not a whole lot of room. Works pretty well. Got it on Amazon for like 10-12 bucks. Definitely recommend getting one of those. Now we're going to be moving on to the differential. We're changing the fluid out. The fluid has been changed. The battery died on me, so I didn't film it. This is your drain for your differential. Pretty sure this one's for your AYC, so don't get those mixed up. And then the fill hole, this one right here. I'm going to be replacing the shifter base bushings and the under the hood cable. Those bushings right there. I already got one off, so going to replace so these are actually for 3000 GT and DSM cars. The Evo 8 and 9 ones won't work for the 4s. So, alright, let's put these on. Okay, so you gotta remove this clip right here. And then it just pops off. There's gonna be a washer behind it, so don't lose that. I have a socket on one side and a small C-clamp on the other, and I'm just gonna press it out. Okay, so this is what I did. I got a 15/16 socket. I put it on one side like that. And then the other side had it on there like that and then just pressed it out. So it's a little tight in there, but got small enough C-clamp and stuff. Pressing it out makes it really easy and quick. So we'll put the new ones on and then go to the shifter base bushings. Okay, I also got a new bypass valve hose, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on before I finish up the shifter bushings. It's all dry rotted and old and some nicks and stuff in it. I got the brand new one here. Here's a part number. I'll be sure to put it in the description if anyone's looking for it. So let's get the new one on. If you take the bypass hose off, it actually gives you quite a bit more room down there. Makes it a little easier to get to it. So make sure you put some a little bit of anti-seize on here first, and then put the new bushings on. Okay, got the new ones on. So yeah, if you take the bypass hose off, it gives you quite a bit more room. So okay, put the bypass hose back on, and we'll move to the shifter base bushings. Got the new bypass hose on. The shifter bushings are on. Let's move to the inside of the car and do the shifter base. Okay, now we're inside the car to do the shifter base bushings. So we need to remove the center console. And first we need to take this piece out. So there's going to be 2 Phillips down here in the back. So we'll remove those. This will just lift it up. It just lifts up and out. If you have the intercooler sprayer, make sure you disconnect that plug down here on the back. Okay, with that out of the way, here's the intercooler spray switch. There's just a little tab, and then pull it out. So next you wanna pop this off, the bezel that goes around your radio. It just pulls off. Take the ashtray out and then pop that off. And then it's gonna be 2 Phillips on either side, and then 2 down here, and then there'll be 1 on either side. Okay, so remove your shift knob. Then this will lift up and out. Now we're going to be replacing, these are the bushings we're replacing right here. So maybe we get a socket for that. So for the old bushings, there's a metal sleeve in there. Just pull it out. And you kind of can grab from the bottom and push from the top. It comes out pretty easily. So do that on all 4. Specific way you gotta put these on, there's like a little lip. So you gotta make sure that, so like the bottom, you want that lip facing up, and the top, you want that lip facing down. So they're kind of, so it's like that. I don't know if it shows, how well it shows up. This one was a little more difficult to get on. I used like a wrench and was able to get in there and tighten it. But now I just put everything back together. Okay, everything's back together. Yeah, it feels a lot better. It's a lot more stable. Yeah. So now it's time to go drive. Everything's been going good and fine. Changing out those shifter bushings helped out a lot. Feels a lot more solid when shifting. Probably the next video I have in this box is power window motors. The front ones are a little slow going up and down, so I'm going to replace those. Then I also got downpipe and cat delete. So that will be going on pretty soon too. So one of those would be what's going to be the next video. Alright, see you next time.